Hello folks, my name is Rich White with Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2020 Attitude. It's a model 2919 SAG. Really nice coach and one of Attitude's newer floor plans. Notice as we go in, it does have the sure step entry system, which is really nice. Much more solid and easier to enter. This particular coach has got the white countertops. It's gotten very popular. Nice gas 3-burner grill top. Gas oven. Nice big oversized microwave. A lot of cabinets in it for a toy hauler. It's got the double door 18 cubic foot refrigerator freezer. I just wanted to show you with all the lights on. You've got lights that are underneath the counter. It's got lights that underglow outside and underneath the belly at night, which really looks great. Your lights hidden here on the ceiling or on a dimmer switch. It's got lights up above, up here. It just has, and they do their own LED light system at Eclipse RV. It's lights up and looks great, folks. Come in, take a look at it. It's got the sofa, the 2 independent chairs, your upper bed, facing sofas with the tables in between. Look at the size of this TV, huge TV. Nice ceiling fan. Of course, your air conditioner is ducted. So wide body, any side-by-side is going to fit in this coach. Let's go ahead and go up here, take a look. It does have a solar panel. Nice bathroom, glass surround shower doors. It's got the vessel sink. Nice vanity, fantastic fan. This particular coach has nice linen storage in it. Set of drawers. You can enter the bedroom through the bath or through the hall. It does have the wardrobe slide out, which gives you nice closet space. Shirt closets over on the side. All LED lightings. This particular coach has a second air, a full-length queen walk-around bed. It's got the nice pull-down shades. Wood valances around all the windows. Tie downs all the way through, of course. Of course, it comes with alloy wheels. Nice electric awning. The magnets that hold the doors, nice underbay storage compartment. Dual propanes on one side for easy filling. This particular coach has the 5500 Onan Cummins generator. Your battery is right here. Battery disconnect switch right in here. Of course, black water flush. Your fuel station is right here. Of course, fuel tank right there. Thanks, folks. This is once again Rich White. You can reach me at 541-521-8914. We've got a great inventory of toy haulers, great inventory of attitudes. Give me a call. Thank you.